Can I hit you up? Or have I not waited for long enough? Since the last time that we talked, I don't wanna come off too impatient, but I'm not patient at all. Can I hit you up? Or am I the last thing you're thinking of? I won't mess up your plans, I'm just wondering, can I?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I really do appreciate you for clicking on this video. Thank you so much. My oldies, my return subscribers, you guys are all amazing. To my new viewers, thank you so much. I would love you to be part of the family. Please, while you watch, kindly subscribe to my channel and join the family. Okay, so my darlings, in today's video I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I did cleaning in my kitchen. I've already cleaned my room and the kids' room and toilets earlier on in the day. I didn't really remember to film that, guys, because my goodness, I had a lot planned out to do. Today being Thursday, yeah, reason because hubby is coming back. I mean, after 3 whole months of being away at work. Okay, so yes, all of this preparation is for his coming back. Okay, so my darlings, here I'm just practically cleaning the kitchen. The previous day, which was Wednesday, I had gone to buy meat, yeah, cow meat. If you haven't seen that video, please, I will drop the link to that video in the description box. Do kindly watch it after watching this one, so you would see how I bulk buy meat.
On the highway, I done been around before. You know I want you more. You ain't gotta doubt me. I'll tell you where to go. One thing about you, you stay on my mind. I just can't reverse it. I just want your time. Boy, I cannot lie.
So guys, as soon as I got done cleaning, I had to pick up the meat. The meat has already been here all the while I was washing the plates. Oh my goodness, my darlings, the previous day I had gone to slaughter to buy meat, and I got back very tired. I couldn't clean the meat the previous day, so I kept it in the freezer. See how frozen it is. So while I kept it in the sink hoping for it to defrost, I had to do some other stuff in the kitchen, like arrange some of the stuff I got from the market. It has started raining again. Like seriously, we now experience rain every single day. I see onions that I was happy that sun is out. Let me dry them. This rain won't allow me now to dry these onions. Because no, don't they stop? Oh. Rain, my small bono. This rain. Stop. Oh. Well, it's still raining. Let me save myself the tears before my onions will get.
Maybe you shouldn't talk that way. Really matter if the bed's made, or if we wore the same shirt that day. Maybe I don't think the same. Maybe you showed up too late. I left my shoes by the doorway. I like it that way. And I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm not.
So you guys, this is the meat already and all cut. So as usual, I'm going to be washing them with this lime. Okay, yeah, so this is the lime. Okay, and after squeezing it, I'll throw it in. So I'm using this big pot so it will be able to contain all the meat.
So what you wanna do now? We both know.
So guys, I usually soak the meat with lime for a few minutes before washing it thoroughly. So here I'm already done washing it, and I portioned it the way it will be easy for me to cook with it whenever I want to cook. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like after freezing the meat. It's very easy to pull out whenever I want to cook. My darlings, fast forward to Saturday, which is the day that my hubby came back. Yeah, it's weekend and I want to make his food fresh. Reason why I didn't cook on Friday, which was yesterday. Okay, all the cleaning I did was on Thursday. I mean, the whole of this week I've been prepping for my man's coming back. From going to the market to buy stuff to keep in the house, just to make sure that things are available in the house, okay, to cleaning the whole house. Now that is the day that he is coming back, I'm making his food fresh for him. Yes, my man loves fresh food. So yes, I mean, let me honor this man. I mean, he has been away from home for 3 whole months, working so hard to make sure he puts food on his family's table. So the best thing I can do is to take care of him, and this is one of the ways that I take good care of his stomach. Okay, although there are other ways a good wife takes care of her husband. But then again, that's not what I want to start talking about here. Okay, so yeah, I'm making okra soup and egusi soup. If you've seen any of the videos on how I welcome my man back home, I have 2 videos. Okay, I mean, he comes back every 3 months, so yes, I try to film each time. And my man loves okra soup. Okay, in the previous videos I made seafood okra soup for him, but in this video I'm making native okra soup using cow leg and cow skin. This is cow skin, we call it kanda. Okay, at that point the meat was already properly cooked. So here I'm pounding crayfish, pepper, onions together to give me the flavor that I want in this native okra soup. And this palm oil is the native palm oil I got in one of my videos I shot on farming in Nigeria. I'll link all of these videos in the description box, so please kindly check them out after watching this one. Meanwhile guys, enjoy watching the rest part of the cooking video, and please kindly like the video. It really do helps my channel grow.
Can I hit you up? Or have I not waited for long enough? Since the last time that we talked, I don't wanna come off too impatient, but I'm not patient at all. Can I hit you up? Or am I the last thing you're thinking of? I won't mess up your plans. I'm just wondering, can I hit you up? To be honest, I've been thinking a lot, overanalyzing our small talk. I don't think that I communicated it, but I really like the conversation. And I don't know if you've been thinking the same, but I'm not really good at playing those games. But I'm trying not to show my feelings, cause I just wanna let my feelings show. Cause little do you know, I'm trying to find a way that we could meet again. And maybe it's too soon to call, but if I wait too long, I know I might end up losing you instead. So instead, can I hit you up? Or have I not waited for long enough? Since the last time that we talked, I don't wanna come off too impatient, but I'm not patient at all. Can I hit you up? Or am I the last thing you're thinking of? I won't mess up your plans. I'm just wondering, sleeping, can I hear you up? I'm thinking too much, I'm thinking too hard. I know that I'm close, but looking too far. Maybe I'll start with a text, but even if I wanna press send, then what do I do if she doesn't respond? What do I do if I say something wrong? Is it for the best if I just never confess anything at all? But I just send a message, no use in pretending. I can't stop myself from trying to find a way to you, but before I jump the gun.
So guys, at this point my both soup are ready. You guys take a good look at the face of these soups. Oh my goodness, the okra soup is so fresh. I mean, everything, it's so fresh. The okra is so crunchy. The pumpkin leaves directly gotten from the farm. You guys, my man totally enjoyed eating this soup. Of course, it's the okra soup he asked for. Okay, the egusi soup is a general house soup. My darlings, one more time, take a good look at the face of this soup. You guys, I must say this, marriage is sweet. Marriage is a beautiful thing. Yes, marriage comes with its own challenges, but my darling, make your marriage work. What are those things that you know that if you do them, it will make your partner happy? It will make them feel special. Just do it anyway. Try your best, give it your best, and commit it into the hands of the Almighty God. As you can see, my baby boo is back. Yeah, I decided to put this clip as a last clip, okay? And of course, my boo came back with my cravings. I mean, he dare not come back without coming with this donut. If you know, you know. But you guys, please don't judge me, okay? I didn't eat all of this donut. I just took a bite, okay? And a single bite won't hurt no one. Thank you, my darlings, for watching.